Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday, April 29th. Today I'm introducing the paraphrasing activity, which I referenced on Monday's video. But I also want you guys to take a look at this. Is anybody listening? It's kind of a funny speech, but it also references back to our Chapter 8 topic. So I want you to take a look at that. It has nothing to do with the paraphrasing activity, but it does reference a lot of the concepts that we consider when we are going over the Chapter 8. So I want you to take a look at it. Nothing's due with it, but it's a nice resource and something you could definitely reference in your journal entry due on Monday. So yes, please take a look at that video. I found it really entertaining. I hope you guys do too. And we all kind of need a laugh during this time. So if you want a good laugh, that's also a great video to watch. And like I said, you can reference it in your weekly journal entry if you'd like to add a little extra to your journal entry. And the paraphrasing activity, which I had up that I must have taken down for some reason. So you guys each have your own copy of this document right here, and it references back to some concepts that was talked about in the Chapter 8 about paraphrasing responses. So for each item below, these items right here, write a paraphrasing response to that statement. Remember that a helpful paraphrasing response reflects both the speaker's thoughts and emotions. Good paraphrasing responses are tentative in nature and may start with phrases such as, "You seem to be," "What I hear you saying is," "So you are telling me that," "I am hearing that," and "Do you mean to say?" So be sure your paraphrase is worded in such a way that it invites feedback from the other person. So these are the phrases, and you're paraphrasing them. Remember, these are some great ways to start those phrases. And then these 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, those are the ones you're paraphrasing. And they redid the little sections here just so that you don't have to keep on scrolling up back and forth for each of them, which is really nice of the people who created this. Thank you, NWTC. And so make sure that you're writing a paraphrasing response to this statement. So you're responding to the statement using paraphrasing responses that start with some of these. You can use maybe one of each for each of them because there's 5 here, and then there's 5 phrases you need to respond to, or speaker items you need to respond to using those paraphrasing tools. So make sure that you use them. And I'm pretty much I can pretty much guarantee that you can use one of these at least once for all of them. So read through them and maybe say, okay, this one will be good for 2, and this one will be good for 3, and so on and so forth. Do some prep work before you start those paraphrasing sentences. And again, reference to the chapter, they will let you, they will give you an idea of what these paraphrasing responses mean. All right, so that is what is due on Friday. And you each have your own copy, so you should be able to go in and return it. Though some of you for the tests have been making your own copy off the copy I give you and highlighting it. Whatever works for you. As long as it's turned in, you're fine. So yeah, that is due on Friday. So there's no video for Thursday and Friday. So assignment work day for tomorrow, and then Friday you have your Chapter 8 quiz, and you have your paraphrasing activity due. So make sure you are getting those done and turned in. And of course, make sure you're reading the chapter, and hopefully you've already watched my video going through the Chapter 8 so that you have a deeper understanding of what you should be doing for the paraphrasing activity and what you should be doing for your Chapter 8 quiz. All right, so have a good rest of your week. I will see you again on Monday. it's May 4th. So we're going into May on Friday, so that's exciting. So I'll see you on May 4th. And May 4th is really exciting for us for this class because we are going to be introing your final project, which yes, will add a little work to your work schedule, but it will also, I'm also giving you like a month to work on this so that you have plenty of time to organize what you have to do for each day or each week. So by the time that it's due, you guys have plenty of time. And as you can see, my cat is responding to my clapping for some reason. So, Minion, move. So this video is done because apparently she needs attention. So have a good rest of your week. I will see you on Monday. Bye.